Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 6.1. 7th question. The distribution of a continuous random variable x in range -3 to 3 is given by the PDF. Probability density function is given. So f of x is equal to, your intervals are given from -3 to 3. You can see the range here, -3 to 3. They have splitted the interval and given it. Okay, so your first range is -3 to -1. Your function is 1 by 16 into 3 plus x the whole square. Your second is -1 to 1. The function is 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2 x square. Your third is 1 to 3. The interval is from 1 to 3. And your function is 1 by 16 into 3 minus x the whole square. They have asked you to verify the area under the curve is unity. Unity is nothing but 1. So we'll have to get the last answer as 1. Okay, so area under the curve, we'll have to find it. The answer should be 1. So we'll just proceed it. Area under the curve is integral a to b f of x dx, and your range is given. The range is from -3 to 3. Therefore the area is, our range we'll have to substitute it. Okay, in the place of a and b we'll have to substitute our range. So it is -3 to 3 f of x dx. The intervals from -3 to 3 it is splitted up. So according to that we'll have to split it up. Okay, so the first integral is from -3 to -1 f of x dx, plus the second integral is -1 to 1. Okay, so -1 to 1 f of x dx, plus your third integral is 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 f of x dx. So now replace your f of x here. It is -3 to -1. In that range, just see the function. Okay, so it is 1 by 16 into 3 plus x the whole square into dx, plus the second integral is -1 to 1. So in that range, see your function. It is 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2x square into dx. The third one is integral 1 to 3. So see the function in that range, you will get it as 1 by 16 into 3 minus x the whole square into dx, equal to, just remove the constant out. So it is 1 by 16 integral -3 to -1, 3 plus x the whole square into dx, plus again one more 1 by 16 is there. So 1 by 16 integral -1 to 1, 6 minus 2x square into dx, plus again 1 by 16 is here. So integral 1 to 3, 3 minus x the whole square into dx. So next line we'll have to go to integration. So keep your 1 by 16 as it is. Your integration 3 plus x the whole square is there. Okay, so we'll just go to this formula. Ax plus b the whole power n into dx is equal to ax plus b the whole power n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 plus c. So this formula we'll just use it here. So we have got 3 plus x the whole power, in the place of n we have got 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1 divided by the coefficient of x, it has to come down. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is 1 only. If you want, you write it, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, so the next part is n plus 1. 2 plus 1 you'll get, and you'll have to write your interval, this -3 and -1. So it is -3 to -1. So going to your next part, second part, it is 1 by 16. Keep your constant out as it is. Go for your integral. 6 is there, so 6 into dx. 6 is a constant. So integral of dx means you'll get your x. So 6x will be there. Minus 2 x square is there. So x square straight formula for your xn. It is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So your limit is minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 to 1 plus again next third term, it is 1 by 16 constant, keep it outside, open your bracket, go for your integration. 3 minus x the whole square, same formula you can use it here. So you'll get ax plus b the whole power n plus 1. So here it is 3 minus x the whole power 2 plus 1. Denominator is here coefficient of x, you'll have to bring it down. See your coefficient of x, here you got minus, okay, so minus 1 you'll have to bring it down. Don't leave this minus 1, okay, because of that only you'll have to use this formula. So you'll get minus 1 into this n plus 1, here n plus 1 is there, so 2 plus 1. Your limit is 1 to 3. So, which is equal to, just go for your solving, okay, 1 by 16, keep your 1 by 16 out as it is. This 3 plus x is there, the power is 2 plus 1, okay, so 3 divided by here also 3, and your limit is from minus 3 to minus 1 plus this 1 by 16, again open your bracket, here 6x is there, minus 2, x power 2 plus 1 is x power 3 divided by 3, and your limit is from minus 1 to 1. For your third term, just see your symbol is changed, okay, here you got minus 1, so plus into minus, you can write minus here 1 by 16, then open your bracket, 3 minus x the whole power, 2 plus 1 will become 3 divided by, this already we have taken it out, okay, so only 2 plus 1, 3 will be there. Your limit is from 1 to 3. So 1 by 16 into, now you will have to substitute your upper limit minus your lower limit, okay, so for each term substitute your upper limit minus your lower limit. So upper limit is minus 1, so in the place of x put minus 1. So 3 minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3, then minus from the format, again this is 3, substitute in the place of x minus 3 the whole cube, it is there, this cube divided by 3. So now your second term, that is this part fully, okay. So again 1 by 16 is there, open your bracket, substitute your upper limit minus your lower limit. Your upper limit is 1, okay, so 6 into 1 minus 2 into 1 cube divided by 3. So this is your upper limit, okay, minus from the format, then open your bracket, now you will have to substitute minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube divided by 3. So this is your lower limit, close your bracket, then the big bracket, because two brackets, opening for this bracket, closing here, for this bracket one more bracket is here, minus 1 by 16 is there, open your bracket, upper limit is 3, okay, so 3 minus, in the place of x you will have to put 3, so 3 whole cube divided by 3 minus your lower limit is 1, so in the place of x you will have to put 1, so 3 minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3. Now we have finished your limit substitution, okay, now we will have to go to the solving only. So equal to 1 by 16, now just solving, okay, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 cube divided by 3. So 3 minus 3 will get 0, straight away you can put 0, okay, plus this 1 by 16, open your bracket, 6 ones are 6, minus 1 cube is there, so 1, so 2 by 3 you will get, then again minus, open your bracket, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, here minus 1 the whole cube, so minus 1 the whole cube will get minus 1, minus 1 and minus it will become plus, 2 ones are 2 divided by 3. So do your solving slowly, otherwise you might make mistake, okay. Then minus your third part, 1 by 16, open your bracket, 3 minus 3 is 0, so straight away you can give 1 0, minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 cube divided by 3 equal to 1 by 16. 2 cube is 8. Okay, so 8 by 3. Your second part you can remove it because 0 only. Plus 1 by 16. Open your bracket. 6 minus 2 by 3. This minus into minus is plus 6. Again minus into plus is minus. Put your bracket properly. Because of that bracket only, this minus it will go there. If you remove your bracket, you will not get your minus over there. Okay. So minus 2 by 3 minus of this 1 by 16. Open your bracket. 0 you can remove it. So we'll get minus 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3. So this 8 and 16 you can cancel. You get 2 times here. Again here 8 and 16 you can cancel. You get 2 times here. So that is equal to, here 1 is there, 2 3s are 6. So 1 by 6. The next one is plus 1 by 16 into 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so 12 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is there. So if you take LCM, you will get 4 by 3. Close your bracket. Your last term is minus. Again minus into minus, you will get plus. Then 1 is here, 2 3s are 6. So 1 by 6 is equal to, here you have got 1 by 6 and here you have got 1 by 6. Adding, you will get 2 by 6 plus 1 by 16 into, just go for LCM, otherwise cross multiplication. 12 into 3 it is 36 minus 4 divided by 3. The next line is 2 by 6 plus 1 by 16. 36 minus 4 will be 32 divided by 3. The 16 and 32 will go twice. So it is equal to 2 by 6 plus 2 by 3. You can cancel this. 1 by 3 you will get, which is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 3. Cancel this and this. Your answer will be 1. Thus the area under the curve is unity. That is what they have asked you to prove it. So we have got 1 here. Therefore we can declare the answer under the curve is, it is unity. This is the answer for your 7th question.